In this video, I'll show you how to quickly flatten a PDF and make it non-editable using Stirling PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is super simple and I've already walked you through how to download and install Stirling PDF. So if you've not watched that video, you can watch it, but you can install Stirling PDF on Docker, on your computer, that is Windows, Mac, Linux, and all that. So I do have a PDF, this one here. And you can see you can make selections. If I'm in a PDF editing application, I can actually edit this. But for this video, what I want us to do is use Stirling PDF. It's going to open up and then I'll just drag and drop my PDF right there. And as you can see, we can make selections inside here, do a couple of things. But of importance to us is to flatten this one so that we can combine all the layers into one, and that is what flattening a PDF means. You combine all layers into one and make this PDF become non-editable or look like a scanned PDF. So if I scroll down slightly under document security, you'll see flatten. I'll click on that and it shows you that it removes all interactive elements and forms from a PDF. I'll click on that and you'll see the file that you're flattening, and you can see some flattening options, flatten only forms and all that. Now, I want to flatten everything because I also don't have any forms in my PDF. And the rendering DPI, which is optional, is recommended to be 150. I'll leave it as it is and click on flatten. It's going to take a little couple of minutes or seconds. And depending on your PDF, it may take a while. Now, please take a note that if you click on this particular save, it's going to overwrite your original PDF. So I'll click on save as. And then title it, let's call it _ flattened. Click on save. Now it's already saved, and if I actually try to highlight it, it's not possible. Now if I actually open it up on Edge as well, you can see that I cannot highlight it, unlike the original, this one, that I can highlight. Now if I actually do use something like Tenorshare Speedy Knob, right click on it and say open with Tenorshare PD knob, I want you to see what is going to happen. Right there, it's going to notify me that this is a scanned PDF, perform OCR to make it editable or searchable. So that is how you can flatten a PDF and make it non-editable in Stirling PDF. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.